This is the second video of how does a moment last forever. Middle C is where the red dot is. And we start on the top line of second page. Left hand chord goes from D, E, A, B, E major. One more time, do it slowly. D minor, O, Y key. 2, 3, 4. E, 2, A, 2, B minor, 3, 3, 4, and E major, 2, 3, 4. Let's review the chord of B minor. It's 2 white plus a black on top. B, D, F sharp. B, D, F sharp. That's B minor. And the chord for E, instead of playing O, Y key, for E major, it's this. E, G sharp, and B. This part is the most challenging part in the whole piece, just because of the chord shape on the left hand. D minor, E minor, A minor, B minor, E major. One more time. D minor, da, D, E minor, da, A minor. Oh, sorry, I should have moved down. Da, da, D, E minor, da, da, and step up, B minor, up. One more time. Da, 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 da. I think in the previous playthrough, I cut B minor short. And the reason I did that was because I wasn't actually singing the melody in my head at that time. So that's a very good example of what not to do. Always, even when you play the left hand alone, either count or sing the melody. You can count like this. D, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, A, 2. B, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4. And when you finish counting, sing along. And like this. Da, 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 da. Well, I'm off key, so it's good to check. It's great. I'm demonstrating of not what to do and what to watch out for during the practice. That's great. I catch that on the video, because I don't want to show you a perfect practice. I want to show you what I do when I encounter mistakes. And next section, let me go back. I think it's higher here because our G is there. Let me double check. That's right. So that should be higher. Pardon me. Middle C, treble C, high C, right here. A minor chord around middle C. We'll work on this section. A minor chord. And now go to D minor, then go up, G, then A. So basically you have A, go down to D, go up to G, come back to A. Okay, one more time. A minor, O, Y key, and D, 2, 3, 4, and G, 2, 3, 4. Finally back to A, but then jump down to F. That's beautiful. I love the F minor chord here. So one more time. F minor chord is not this. This is F major. Finger 3, move lower to A flat. This is F minor. So here you have A minor, D, da, da, G, da, 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 D, da, A minor, F minor. Two hands together. Yay, to the end. This time C is on the bass C. Then finish. Let me start the last section. C, G, C, and A minor, D minor, G. So one more time. Da, D, da, G, C, A, and D minor. Over 1, 2, 3, both hands together. C,